May I know your complete name, ma'am?
Yeah, my name is Deepa Garwa.
How old is your kid?
She's 4 plus.
Where do you stay in Delhi, ma'am?
I'm in JD Block, Pitampura.
So what were you looking for your child?
Well, my priorities were very different because my child, she's a special child. She has Down syndrome and she's intellectually a little disabled. So my criteria were very different. One, the school had to be nearby. Two, it had to be the one wherein the teacher-student ratio were very good, so that she was given personal attention to, and also, I was pretty sure. I had visited Mother's Pride and a lot of other schools, but I wanted a lot of closeness within the group which was conducting, or which was working on the school, and I found it in here. One, it was very close to my place. That was like the priority. And on top of that, when I visited here and I told them about it, I wasn't very sure that a lot of schools would consider my child, because she wasn't really very independent when I put her here. That was about 2 years ago, and I was thinking that I would be on the mercy of the schools whether they would consider my child or not, but that didn't happen here. I was given the position or the authority to choose whether I want to put my child here or not. So I was quite happy. Then the whole structured approach, because I'm a teacher and I understand the way things work, and so I could make out from the schools which were like pretending, the way they were running the things, and or just selling, stuff. Being too commercial. So yeah, I wanted something very close knit, and that I found here, and that's why I chose this.
Ma'am, which all play schools did you consider for your kid?
Mother's Pride, Shamrock, and I don't know, a lot of not so famous regular schools that are there in nook and corner. Yeah, basically Mother's Pride and Shamrock.
Mother's Pride where?
Dipali Chowk.
And Shamrock?
Shamrock is in Shalimar Bagh. Yeah, I don't exactly know the area, but yeah, that is in Shalimar Bagh.
So ma'am, which play school did you finally choose and why?
This one, the Little Millennium, and it was Roots to Wings when I chose it, and yeah, I told you why. Pretty much.
Ma'am, how is your experience being with Little Millennium?
Wonderful, excellent, I would say.
What are the two things about this school that you really like?
I think teachers probably would be the best thing, because everything else, to me, it really doesn't matter much. I don't really look into too much of infrastructure or too much of chairs and tables. That really doesn't matter. The teachers, I think, are qualified, and on top of it, they are really they really care, and that shows. So my child, because when I put her into the school, she wasn't even independent enough to stand on her own. She was not really well and all that. So they took really, really great care of it, and I was so happy to see the changes. There were drastic changes within few months' time, and yeah, applause to the teachers.
Ma'am, are there any areas in Little Millennium School that needs to be improved according to you?
Again, like my other two friends must have said, about the teacher-student ratio, that has definitely, it's not as good as it used to be earlier. And apart from that, I think one thing that I always have a problem with is whenever they start something, especially the functions or whatever, it doesn't ever start on time. So I don't know. That is probably the scenario in every place in India, and we are so used to it. It getting started half an hour late or whatever. But me being a little punctual, that is always a problem with me. I don't really find it good.
Anything else that you feel so?
No, everything else is like pretty good, and I'm very happy.
Ma'am, how likely would you be to recommend Little Millennium School to other parents also on a scale from 1 to 5?
See, I can't say about my case is being different. For a special child, I would say 5.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.